At this moment, I'm gonna show you how to undo, redo an action, how to type text in the Paint.net program, and how to navigate the zoom, ruler, and how to print your output. Okay, so first, you have to open your Paint.net program. Okay, so I already opened mine. Okay, so let's pretend that you already made a rectangle, but you change your mind and you want to make it an oval instead. Okay, so how to undo an action? Okay, so first, okay, go to on the first row of the toolbar, you will see a curvy arrow pointing to the left. Okay, so that is the undo button. Okay, click on the undo button. Okay, so by doing so, your rectangle drawing will be deleted. Then you can now draw another shape that you want, which is an oval. Okay, so let's make an oval. Okay, so now you already have an oval. An oval. Okay. Now let's say you draw a rectangle, and then you change your mind and delete it using the undo button. We already clicked the undo button. Okay. And then suddenly you change your mind again and decide that the rectangle was perfect for your drawing. Now, how to reappear your rectangle? How to make it reappear? Okay. So you can do it by just clicking the redo button, which is beside the undo button. So how will you click it? Just click it. Okay, just wait. Again, let's do it again. You want to rectangle, and then it's oval, and then just click on the redo button. Yeah. Now you have your rectangle. Okay. So now you know how to undo and redo an action. Okay. So next I'm gonna teach you how to do the zooming in and zooming out, as well as the panning. Okay. So if you want to make your drawing look larger, you can do that by just navigating the zoom. Okay, at the lower left right part of your Paint.net window here, we can see the two magnifying glass. Okay, the first one has the negative or minus sign or subtraction sign. The second magnifying glass has a plus sign or the positive sign. Okay, so if you want to make your if you want to have a smaller view of your drawing, you can just click on the magnifying glass that has a minus or negative sign. Okay, it will be just like this. Then now you have the smaller view of your drawing. Now if you want to have a larger view of your drawing, just click on the magnifying glass that has a plus sign. Okay, by doing so, you can have a larger look or a larger view of your drawing. Okay, then how to use pad? Okay, what is pan, teacher? Pan. Okay, a pan is just like an open hand. Okay, you can see the pan on the tools window. Okay, if you click on the pan, okay, okay, your pointer will look like an open hand. Okay, so okay, if you click on the pan, your drawing will, you can drag your drawing or the um drawing page. Okay, so that's how you use the pan. Okay, so next, how to type a text on the paint.net. Okay, so first click on the text tool and then just click on the page, drawing page. Okay, and then you can just type here what you want to say. Hello, good day. Or if you want to write the name of your shape, you could just type it here. Okay, okay, rectangle. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so how to change the font style and font size of your text. Okay, go to the toolbar and then you will see the font. Okay, if you click on the drop down box of the font, you can see the different font styles here. You can just like that. Okay, then beside the font style box, you can find the font size box. Okay, so you can just change it. If you want to make your text bigger, you can just choose the bigger number. Okay, so okay, so let's say you want shape. Okay, if you want to make it smaller, you can just click on the smaller number. Okay, so that's how you change the font style and the font size of your text. Okay, so next is how to use the ruler. Okay, how to use the ruler. Okay, so on the first row of the toolbar, you can see the ruler. Okay, ruler. Okay, this one now. What's the use of ruler? Okay, the ruler is, okay, if you click on the ruler button, you can see the what do you call that one? You can see the rulers in the upper side of the upper and the left side of the paint.net main window. Okay, so how to use the ruler. Okay, okay, this one, this is the ruler. Okay, what's the use of ruler, teacher? Okay, If you move your cursor around the drawing area, a thin ruler mark will appear on the ruler. Okay, this one, the blue thing here. Okay, this one. Okay, so the mark moves along the ruler as you move the mouse pointer on the drawing page. Okay, if you want to I mean, for example, if your mouse has marks at the top of the ruler number 70, okay, or example 200, okay, so the marks will show up like this 200 will be on the 200. Okay, if you want to move your cursor in this part, your ruler will be pointing on the 600 number. Okay, so that's how you use the ruler. And lastly, how to print your work. Okay, if you're going to print your work, you can just go to the toolbar, or the first row of the toolbar, and then you can see the printer icon. Just click on the printer icon, and then okay, the dialog box will appear. Okay, this one, and then you can just click on the print. If you click on print, okay, your output will, if you have a printer, your output will be printed. Okay, so that's it. Okay, thank you, kids.